जैसा कोई नहीं है, 80 नहीं 100 दिन दुनिया घुमा है, नहीं कहीं तेरे जैसा कोई नहीं। मैं गाया जहां भी बस तेरी याद थी, जो मेरे साथ थी, मुझको तड़पा दिलाती। सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत, प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही। माँ तुझे सलाम, माँ तुझे सलाम, अम्मा तुझे सलाम। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Witness the culmination of hard work, dedication, and passion of our students as they showcase their athletic talents with their beautiful presentations. We celebrate here not just winning, but participation, teamwork, and the joy of playing. I extend my gratitude to our directors, teachers, and parents for their unwavering support that help us to dream big and to bring to you this beautiful occasion, AMEYA 2K25, the sports edition. Let's cheer.
Sports and physical activities play an important role in child's overall development. Through the events of AMEYA, our children learn discipline, coordination, and the true spirit of participation. Your presence and encouragement and add great value to their enthusiasm and efforts. We are delighted to have you all with us on this special day. I hope you enjoy the performances and sport activities.
Good morning, respected chief guests, directors, dear parents, teachers, and my dear friends.
We are thrilled to welcome you all to our vibrant annual unwavering support that makes events like this possible.
Teachers, your guidance turns our practice into passion. Let's make today unforgettable.
Get ready for thrills, teamwork, and triumphs. Sports Day begins now.
बड़ा होगा।
निरविघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु मणि पाणिसा पाणिसा निःशेषजाड्यापः निःशेषजाड्यापः निःशेषजाड्यासने संस्थितां वन्दे तां परमेश्वरीं भगवतीं बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां बुद्धिप्रदां शारदां. Thank you.
You can raise your hand. Ask it one more time, beta. If you could invite a new sport, what would it be?
I'm Kiran, Chetruvite. So the new game would be anything without gadgets, which is playing indoors. I will prefer.
We are all students who are very good at, like any craft or any game, sports, anything that you are very good at.
Yeah, hello, my name is Ritu Sharma. I'm Myra Kaushik's mother. I'm good in art and craft and good in singing. I'm Kalvit's mother. The two things I'm good at, non-judgment and no interference in anyone's life. Thank you.
And that's a nice.
Different things at a time.
Hi all, good morning. This is Sanbi's father, Sushant. So if I have superpower, then I'll avoid.
And Bihan.
సంగీతంలో సాపస రాకపోతే ఏం లోట సంతోషంలో హైలెస్స అంటే ఏదో పొరపాట అటెన్షన్ ఎవ్రీబడీ సరదాగా చేయాలండి ABCD చాలండి anybody can dance and be
Live for the moment, yeah, live for the moment. Live for the moment, yeah, live for the moment. Live for the moment, yeah, live for the moment.
సంగీతంలో సాపస రాకపోతే ఏం లోట సంతోషంలో హైలెస్స అంటే ఏదో పొరపాట ఏ ఆనందమంటే పైనేదో లేదే మనలోనే దాగుంది
We are so happy to see all our little friends here today. Get ready to move your feet, clap your hands and smile big. Let's shake, twist and jump together. Because dancing makes us happy and today is all about joy. So come on, play group friends. Let's dance and play. Aaj hai Sunday, hip hip hooray. What was your favorite sport when you were at my age? What was
And I am Salmi Parents Nursery. Shuttle. Shuttlecock.
nice warm-up exercise? Yes. Yeah.
उठ बच्चा उठे पुठी बची अच्छा पुछ उठ जाओ
That's great, sir. So fast it was.
Hello, my name is Sri Lalita. I'm mother of Parnika. My favorite dessert is apricot delight. Thank you.
Wow, that was nice. Thank you. Anyone else? I'm going to childhood days. Thank you.
Same answer.
Actually, we miss a lot, right? Playing, not taking care of anything, non-rest.
Sahiti ma'am,
Hi, my name is.
we are not able to hear.
I'm mother of Vyom Govinda and Shivam Kumar. And if I get an opportunity to travel, I would.
Hello, good morning everyone. Do you know why, Chetan? Yes, Didi. Today is a sports day. It is a way to jump, clap and dance together. Let's smile and enjoy the sports day music. Our performance.
Sometimes there are days when nothing goes your way. Just remember that the rainbow comes after rain. Keep your head held high and know that in this life you will not so come high. Raise your hands high, jump up. It's time to get loud. Nod your head, feel the beat. Let's scream and let's shout. Get up, twist down. We're gonna shake the ground tonight. Raise your hands high, jump up. It's time to get loud. Nod your head, feel the beat. Let's scream and let's gonna shake the ground tonight. Sometimes it feels as though it's such a heavy load, but just remember that you never walk this road alone. I'll be there for you. I'm gonna see you through. Take my hand and let's go. Raise your hands high, jump up. It's time to get loud. Nod your head, feel the beat. Let's scream and let's shout. Get up, twist down. We're gonna shake the ground tonight. Let's scream and let's shout. Get up, twist down. We're gonna shake the ground tonight.
You're a soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front fire, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fork it up, oh, and if you fork it up, hey, cause this is Africa. It's time for Africa.
Come on, parents, let's hear.
Listen to your dad. This is our motto. Your time to shine.
тобой. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Ты такая вся, что добиваться будешь. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Каждая девчонка хочет танцевать с тобой. Sigma, Sigma boy, Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Ты такая вся, что добиваться будешь.
Hanshita, Hansika, Gagan, Pradnya.
The first prize goes to Vernika, second Hansika, and third Yashvika. Congratulations, kids.
Applause for our playgroup friend. Hi Reem, do you like this sport? Yes, I like running, badminton, football, and love to watch matches on TV, especially when India wins. It's a proud feeling. Winning is special, but not important. Learn to do better, just like a champion. Agree? Yes, of course. Rightly said, my friend. So to cheer the spirit of champions, we have our nursery friends coming up with the champion dance. To hey champion. To hey champion. To hey winner.
Wow, very come on, parents. Cheers for our chance.
थोड़ी कर जल्दबाजियां मंजिल पे रख नजर सफर लंबा है ओ शेर की चाल चल रहा बन के तू आग जल रहा सांस में आधी आती है हाथों में जोर है इम्तिहानों की नोक में हौसलों से संभल रहा
I had a lots of fun there. And my favorite temple, Murugateshwar, I really liked it very much.
Wow, thank you so much, sir. Can we have a round of applause for sir? Yeah, we are having so many places to visit.
It was very memorable. We collected a lot of memories. Jai Sri Mahakal. Yes, he enjoyed. He had a photo with elephants. Elephant blessed.
Great. Can we give a round of applause for sir? Moving on to next question. Parents, I need more answers please.
3 quick healthy snack recipes or bites to pack for us. Share any 3 quick healthy snack recipes or bites to pack for us.
Any 3 quick recipes? Parents will be.
Beans, cut them, saute it in oil, put little garlic and then put them on the bread, put a cheese slice and that will give a yummy twist and children can eat that. That's one among.
To reflect on the milestones, achievements and progress our schools have made over the past year. We are honored to have with us our respected director Lakshmi Garu, whose dedication and vision have been the driving force behind our success. I would now like to invite Lakshmi ma'am to present the annual report of Springboard Indian School and Dots the Play School. Please join me in welcoming her with a warm round of applause.
Good morning, respected Chief Guest, Ms. Anvita Garu, to watch performances, but to celebrate the spirit of teamwork, perseverance, and healthy living that sports instill in our children. Over the past year, our students have enthusiastically participated in a wide range of activities, from track and field events to team games, from yoga sessions to taekwondo. Every activity was designed to nurture physical fitness and discipline. Our coaches and teachers have worked tirelessly to encourage every child to bring out their best, regardless of their skill level. Not only sports, but we have given utmost priority to personality development, with no bag activities like group discussions.
Our sports meet, the Amaya 2K25, the sports edition. Well, with great pleasure and respect, we welcome our chief guest, Ms. Anvita Reddy, a distinguished mountaineer and a proud summiter of Mount Everest and Mount Manaslu. What an incredible journey she has. From a humble farming family, a middle class family, to a proud summiter. What an incredible journey. She climbed mountains in the extremely cold weather conditions where minus 30 degrees centigrade was the weather and icy blowing winds on top of her, facing her, and she had bone cracking, blood freezing icy weather, and she had to take that challenge, go ahead with the full potential and reach that height. What a great journey, and she is truly a proud of Telangana and proud of India too. Ma'am, your journey of courage and hard work truly inspires our children. Dreaming big and never give up confidence. Thank you once again for accepting our invitation. And today, messy hair, muddy shoes, tired face, valuable lessons. teamwork, leadership, discipline, time management, and above all, handling failures with courage. That's a very important thing that we are looking forward from our Dotlets and Springboardians. We strongly believe in the philosophy play activity-based learning. I would say SBIS, Springboard Indian School and DOTS are not just schools. They are the opportunity centers where the children can explore themselves. They can explore their hidden talents and catch hold of it in their life. We are the opportunity centers and we are proud of being so. In the context, I would like to share something important for you. Macmillan Emerging Techstars in association with IIT Madras conducted a state-level budding coders examination. I hope everyone is aware of it. Our primary children appeared for the exam. In this exam, Springboardians secured 2nd, 3rd and 7th ranks in the level 2 examinations, and I would request all of you to clap for them. This reflects our commitment to future-ready education. Student clubs to further enhance our holistic education in the next academic session. I take this moment to sincerely thank our parents for the unwavering support we get from you, unwavering support and trust on us. I extend my gratitude to Anjani Madam, teachers, admin staff, support staff, sub-staff for their silent but invaluable contribution. Congratulations to the students, they are the real stars today. Thank you all. Wishing everyone a joyful sports meet. Thank you so much.
Applause to the 3 winners from Springboard Indian School, level 2. They have qualified and we will share the names very soon once it reaches us. Sherpa Guide started from Camp 4 on 15th May 2022, that too at night time. She had her dream come true by reaching the Mount Everest summit on 16th May 2022 at 9:30 am. Anvita Garu went on to achieve several laurels, including climbing Mount Kilimanjaro, the highest peak of African continent, in January 21, Mount Kede, the Indian Himalayas, Somoriri, Ladakh in February 2021. She made her summit on Mount Elbrus. Anvita ma'am has received several accolades and appreciation for her accomplishments. We all feel so fortunate, deeply fortunate, Anvita ma'am, to have you amongst us as our chief guest and gracing our event. Let me not miss this opportunity to invite Anvita Garu on stage and address the gathering.
Firstly, thank you so much for Springboard Indian School and DOTS for inviting me here. And chala pleasant ga undi. After so long, I'm seeing these many of parents. I know మీ కిడ్స్ మీ ముందు ఇట్లా పర్ఫామ్ చేసినప్పుడు మీలో ఎంత ఎనర్జీ ఉందో ఐ కెన్ సీ బై యువర్ స్మైల్స్ మీ కిడ్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి, మీరందరూ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇంత సక్సెస్ చేసినందుకు. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ హ్యావింగ్ మీ హియర్ ఆల్సో. అండ్ నా జర్నీ ఆఫ్ మౌంటైనరింగ్, ఐఎమ్ అన్ అథ్లెట్ బ్యాక్ ఇన్ స్కూల్. నేను స్కూల్లో ఐఎమ్ అన్ అథ్లెట్. సో ఐఎమ్ అన్ అథ్లెట్. స్కూల్లో గ్రౌండ్ టీచర్స్ అ లాట్. ఈవెన్ టుడే నేను అదైనప్పటికీ కూడా lot of people, I always keep on telling this, that being a female మీరు ఎవరెస్ట్ క్లైమ్ చేశారు అని ఎవరైనా అన్నప్పుడు I say no, being a human నేను క్లైమ్ చేశాను. నో గ్రౌండ్ నేను వచ్చినప్పుడు అది టఫ్ అవ్వలేదు. లైక్ ఫీమేల్ వస్తుంది నేను పెద్దగా కావాలి, 400 కాస్త 1600 మీటర్స్ అవ్వలేదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద సేమ్. గ్రౌండ్ అలాగే ఉంది, మౌంటైన్స్ అలాగే ఉన్నాయి, అండ్ దెన్ వెదర్ కూడా అలాగే ఉంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ సంథింగ్ ఒక హ్యూమన్ వచ్చిందని ఫీల్ అయి ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఫీమేల్ వచ్చింది నేను పెద్దగా అవ్వాలని అయితే అయి ఉండదు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ యాజ్ గ్రేట్ హ్యూమన్ ఎలా క్లైమ్ లైక్ మేల్ ఎలా చేశారో ఫీమేల్ అలా చేశారు. సో ఐ కీప్ ఆన్ టెలింగ్ దిస్ ఫర్ షూర్ ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ స్కూల్. అండ్ ఇట్స్ ఆల్ ద మైండ్ సెట్ అండి. అంటే మై ఫాదర్ దో వీ వర్ బోత్ డాటర్స్, ఎప్పుడు కూడా మేము గ్రౌండ్కి వెళ్ళి ఆడుకొని దెబ్బలతో ఇంటికి వచ్చినప్పుడు లాట్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ దెబ్బలు అవసరం ఎందుకు, ఆడపిల్లలకి ఇన్ని దెబ్బలు తగులుతుంటే ఎందుకు గ్రౌండ్కి పంపిస్తావు, మగ పిల్లలతో ఈక్వల్గా ఆడుకొని వస్తుంటే ఎందుకు అంటావు అంటే, హీ సే ఇవాళ దెబ్బ ఎక్కడైతే తగిలిందో దట్స్ ద మోస్ట్ రైట్. టుమారో సేమ్ ప్లేస్లో తగిలిన రోజున ఆ పెయిన్ ఫస్ట్ డే లాగా ఉండదు. ఇట్ వోంట్, అది ఎవరు చెప్పరు మనకి. యువర్ బాడీ టెల్స్ ఇవాళ తగిలిన దెబ్బ గాయం పెయిన్ రేపు అంతా ఉండదు. ఐ షుడ్ ఫీల్ దట్ పెయిన్ రైట్ టుడే ఇది సో దట్ ఐ కెన్ కంపేర్ ఫ్రమ్ యెస్టర్డే. సో ఎవ్రీ మౌంటైన్ నుంచి నేను రిటర్న్ వచ్చిన, యూ కెన్ సీ ఇన్ యూట్యూబ్ ఆల్సో, నేను ఎవ్రీ మౌంటైన్ నుంచి వచ్చినప్పుడు వింటర్లో యాజ్ మ్యామ్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడు ఐ కెన్ రీకాల్ ఆల్ దోస్ థింగ్స్. నేను ఎల్బ్రూస్ మౌంటైన్ ఎక్కినప్పుడు ఇట్ ఈస్ -52 ఆన్ సమ్మిట్, విచ్ ఈస్ సౌత్ ఇండియన్స్కి చాలా కష్టం, మనం ఇమాజిన్ కూడా చేయలేము. -7-8లోనే ఫ్రీజ్ అయిపోతుంది ఫ్రిడ్జ్లో. నేను ఈ ఏరియా అంతా చిల్ బైట్ అయిపోయింది, లైక్ 2 layers డెడ్ అయిపోయింది, నమ్నెస్ వచ్చేసింది అనమాట. నేను బేస్ క్యాంప్కి వచ్చినప్పుడు ఐ నో ఇట్స్ గోనా బి ఎ మార్క్, బట్ నేను ఇండియాకి వచ్చాక పీపుల్ వెన్ దే రిసీవింగ్ మీ అండ్ మా గైడ్ని మేమందరం ఇంటికి వస్తున్నప్పుడు లాడ్ ఆఫ్ పీపుల్, ఎస్పెషలీ మా మమ్మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఆ ఏరియా వాళ్ళు అనేవాళ్ళు పెళ్ళయ్యే పిల్లకి మరకలేందండి ముఖం మీద, అవసరమా ఇదంతా అని. సో హౌ మెనీ పీపుల్, ఎంతమంది పీపుల్ అయితే మార్క్ గురించి మాట్లాడారో దే డోంట్ నో, దే ఆర్ అప్రిషియేటింగ్ మీ బై పుట్టింగ్ ద వర్డ్ కాల్డ్ ఎ మార్క్. That's my strength. A mark, they're talking about that mark. Indirectly, they're appreciating me. Right? It's all the thought process again. Everest lo kuda when I'm at Camp 4, my Sherpa, mem summit ki veltunnappudu, it's almost, it took 18 hours to go for summit. 18 hours. Ante lot of people say, wow, achieved. Kaadu. Same mindset, same strength, same vision 18 hours carry చేయడం చాలా కష్టం అండి. దట్ డే ఐ నో వాట్స్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఎ సెకండ్. ఒక్క సెకండ్ దాటడం ఎంత కష్టమో, ఒకటే థాట్ ప్రాసెస్తో, ఆ విల్ పవర్తోని విండ్ వచ్చేసి కొట్టడము. అండ్ దెన్ ఎవరెస్ట్ తర్వాత ఐ క్లైమ్ ఫ్యూ అదర్ మౌంటైన్స్. ఎవ్రీ మౌంటైన్ హ్యాస్ సమ్ ఆర్ ద అదర్ రికార్డ్ బికాస్ every step is something I want to learn for myself. I climbed mountains because I want to do it. నేను చేయాలనుకున్నాను and I want to know who am I. Every mountain, kidsని sit and ask what they want, give a chance to know who they are. You are the first people and the mirror. Parents ki kids ki you are the first one where they can share everything. ఈవెన్ టుడే సంథింగ్ గోస్ బ్యాడ్ ఏదైనా లైఫ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు నేను కూర్చొని మా మమ్మీతో మాట్లాడతాను అండ్ షీ ఒక ఏమంటారు, ఒక పిల్లర్ లాగా కూర్చొని వింటుంది. షీ డోంట్ ఆన్సర్ ఫర్ ఎనీథింగ్, ఎన్ని అవర్స్ అయినా సరే. ఇట్స్ సంథింగ్ ఐఎమ్ బర్స్టింగ్ అవుట్, నేను చెప్తున్నాను తనకి అండ్ షీఈస్ లిజనింగ్ అండ్ ఐ నో వాట్ మై ఆన్సర్ ఈస్. I don't want an answer from her. It is something I request every parent, cheer for them. I know you are always proud, caring, and then అలా ఉంటారు, బట్ వన్ స్టెప్ కొంచెం ముందుకు వచ్చి ఆస్క్ యువర్ కిడ్స్ వాట్ దే వాంట్ టు డూ, గివ్ ఎ ఛాన్స్ సో దట్ ఇఫ్ యూ గివ్ ఎ ఛాన్స్ యూ కెన్ సీ అ కిడ్ సమ్వేర్ స్టాండింగ్ ఇన్ హై పొజిషన్. అండ్ thank you so much Andi, and not about a financial thing, the support that you get, it's all the mindset and where you're dreaming for. And life lo pratidi 2 times jarugutayi, one is in your imagination and the other is in the reality. So how big your imaginations are there, that's the highway that you're putting for your reality things. Mana imagination ekkada pettukunte, that's the first seed, that's the first day. మీరు మీ రియల్గా అది జరగడానికి మీరు ఒక పాత్ వేసినట్టు అవుతుంది. So start imagining.
This is the right moment that we are going ahead with the upcoming generations. We should not repeat such errors. Do you agree with me, parents?
Yes.
Then let us give us a huge round of applause to Anvita garu. I think words are not enough to thank you for your valuable words, ma'am. Many points to take away. Thank you for your time, Kiran garu. Thanks for motivating our event and also our children. A huge round of applause.
finish line. 4, 5, the flag moving. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remote. Turn left side. Tej Arush line. Sadia. Remote. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 'Now tiger punches.
Keep cheering for them,
1,
parents.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get down. Not. Turn left side. Move. Hands back. The snake punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now tiger punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Eagle punch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now both hands monkey punches. Double hands. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now strike punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5. Leg change. Right leg. 1, 2, 5. Leg change. Right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sadia. Ready. Tiger. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Position. Tight your fingers. Tight your fingers. 1, 2, 3. Salia. Remote. 3. Salia.
Amazing.
Salia. Remote. 3.
Wonderful.
Sadhya. Second hand here. Second hand here. 1, 2, 3.
Superb.
Sadhya. Come on.
With anyone, grow at your own pace. Thank you.
Yes, that was the best advice. Thank you for sharing, ma'am. A round of applause for ma'am. Anyone want to share your best advice that you have got?
Nidhi, Abhinav,
Third prize goes to Tej Arush. Huge round of applause for the PP1 winners. From PP2, the first prize goes to Varshit. Second prize goes to Hanshita. And third prize goes to Vyom. Keep cheering them, parents.
It is our time for another locking performance. Let's put our hands together to welcome our fearless Taekwondo team who are ready to showcase an amazing performance.
2, 3, next. 4, 1, 6. Our number 2 punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6. Go inside. Our double hand punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Momento.
Wow, it was a nice balance. A huge round of applause for our kids. A round of applause for PP2 kids.
कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा
7, 8, 9, 10.
अरे राम ना कर
Wow, that was great.
तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या
Wow, isn't it a great formation?
तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा है अर्ज़ी दीवानी की सुहानी देखी शाला या कफन सिपाही वाला
Horsa.
हम जो भी तू
Horsa. Let me say.
ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके
1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Change. Hand side forward. One number 2 punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1. Stop. Split. Second line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. End.
तेरी धूल से बढ़ के
Victory.
तू बाग है मेरा
2, 3, 4, 1. Leg change. 3, 4, 1. Leg change. One side kick. 4, 1. Leg change.
तेरी शान पे सदके
Now left leg side kick. 1,
से बढ़ के
4,
तेरी धूप
1. Stop. Left.
तेरी
Second line, first line, second line, third line, fourth line. Handstand. Play. Play. 4. 1. Stop. Play.
माटी पे मर मिट जाना जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा आसमां से तेरा तिरंगा जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे मंजूर हमें जो भी तू चुने रेशम का हो मधुशाला या कफन सिपाही वाला ओढ़ेंगे हम जो भी तू बुने ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके
A huge round of applause. Look at the little rider over there.
तेरी धूप से
Superb children.
बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा
Wow, that is amazing to see.
रंग बिरंगा ऊंचा जीने की इजाजत दे दे
That's a great balance, isn't it, parents?
रेशम का हो मधुशाला या कफन सिपाही वाला ओढ़ेंगे हम जो भी तू ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ी दीवाने की जहाँ और सुहानी देखी एक रोज वही मेरी शाम हो कभी याद करे जो जमाना माटी पे मर मिट जाना जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम ओ देश में जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा आसमां से हो तेरा तिरंगा जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे मंजूर हमें जो भी तू चुने रेशम का हो मधुशाला या कफन सिपाही
To see kids balancing so easily. Cheer up, parents. Encourage our kids.
जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे
Wow.
है क्या तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़ी दीवाने की जहाँ और सुहानी
Tafa. Right leg back, take position. Only right hand only. Okay, counting 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wow!
तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कभी याद करे जो जमाना माटी पे मर मिट
Wow, yeah, that was great.
जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम
Wow! A huge for a long time.
तू बाग
Good job, children.
The second prize goes to Ashwat and the third prize goes to Sahasrita. A huge round of applause for PT2 kids here. Keep applauding them, parents and teachers. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ready sir, look at Matt.
You have ever seen? Who inspires you?
Okay, right sir.
What?
Small stick this front. Stand in the line.
Cheer up, parents. Isn't it great seeing kids so coordinated? Please cheer up, parents. the pom-poms to the kids. Please cheer up.
Shout again, babe. Say loud shout.
Wow! That is so great.
Great. Now stand up.
A mesmerizing performance.
Great. Now turn back side over.
Parents, we request you to please be seated.
This goes to Shishira. Second prize goes to Srihita. And the third prize goes to Advaita. Congratulations, children.
Parents, please be seated.
A huge round of applause. Energy, energy. Thank you.
Parents, we request all the parents to be seated. We are all in awe of such an amazing healthy body is a challenge. Isn't there any smart, effective way to achieve this? I know you will ask this question and the solution is easy peasy. Just do yoga. Yoga? But कैसे होगा? Wow, kids, so flexible.
A huge round of applause to all our respected guests here. Thank you so much. Thank you for your valuable time.
Sir, 1 second, look at it, sir. Wait, sir.
you so much, sir, for your valuable time.
Students, sir.
Sri Abhilash Garu.
Okay, ready, sir. Look at. Sir, students, sir.
And the winners are, and the third prize goes to Surya. A big round of applause to all the achievers here. Congratulations, kids.
Okay, ready, sir. Chinnu ikkada chudani beta. So wait, man. Sir, look at.
For dance performance. Thank you.
நாம செம்மையா வாழ்ந்து காட்டுறது தான் நம்ம வாழவே கூடாதுன்னு நினைக்கிறவங்களுக்கு நாம கொடுக்குற பெரிய தண்டனை.
What an energy. Cheer up, parents.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए हाय कोई तो जल से उठड़िए मुझ पे डरिए या
to Bhavita. Second prize goes to Sai Priya. Please keep cheering, dear parents. We are not able to hear from you.
Please be cheering up, parents.
Yes? Loud yes.
Yes.
Super. Second prize goes to Hiya. And third prize goes to Navneet.
Anyone else want to answer the question? What is something you're great at cooking?
If you could invent a holiday, what would you celebrate?
Dedicate. Yeah.
Saiti ma'am, we'll move on.
Yes, thank you ma'am. Thank you for your time.
तू भिड़ के देख चीर दे अंधेरा जो सीमा से और ले छलांग 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 और ले छलांग।
This is more drill performances. Why drill? Because it boosts my confidence and focus. It prepares me to perform my best and also improve skills and technique. So be it. Let me take you to an enthralling drill performance by our grade 1 and grade 2 friends.
For the encouragement.
Some fun facts about hula hoop? Yes, surely. Hoops were originated in Greece for exercise and play. Hula hooping can burn up to 400 calories per hour.
That's amazing. I did not know about this.
Let me show you a fantastic drill with hula hoops now. Are you ready?
Yay! Hula hoop, a joyful spin. Keep it up, let the fun begin. Circle round, hands sway, hula hoop dance all day.
So let's welcome our grade 3 and 4 friends for a hula hoops drill.
Good job, children.
तिनका
country, India, is a diverse country and there are 16 popular sports that are played here.
That's interesting.
And to honor each sport, the government gives awards to sports persons who have excelled in it.
Awards, can you explain?
Sure, there are 6 awards conferred to Maza Trophy, Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award, Major Dhyan Chand K. Ratna Award, Dhyan Chand Award, and Rashtriya Khel Protsahan Puraskar.
Wow, who gives them and where?
They are given by the President of India at the Rashtrapati Bhavan with great pride and honor.
I will definitely watch it this time. Look who is getting ready.
Hey, they are our grade 1 and 2 friends once again to rock the event. More claps to them. Thank you.
Ma'am, student.
Masa Lara.
माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे, दंगल 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 दंगल। माँ के पेट से मरघट तक है तेरी कहानी, पग पग प्यारे दंगल 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 दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे, दंगल 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 दंगल। धड़कने छाती में जब दुबक जाती है, सावले हाथी सी हर चुनौती है रे। सामने खड़ी घूर के पड़ी आंख दिखलाती है, तो आंख से उसकी आंख मिला के भिड़ जाने का नाम है प्यारे, दंगल 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 दंगल। सूरज तेरा चढ़ता ढलता गर्दिश में करते हैं तारे, दंगल 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 दंगल। ठोस मजबूत भरोसा अपने सपनों पे करना, जितने मुंह उतनी बातें, गौर कितनों पे करना। आगे तेरा भी दिन आएगा, उस दिन हिसाब चुका के रहना। भेड़ की हाहाकार के बदले शेर की एक दहाड़ है प्यारे,
Hockey. I love playing cricket and don't miss to watch a single India match too. Same here, cricket fever and passion is on the next level. When our Indian players stand with our flag and sing national anthem, it feels surreal. True, whether India wins or not, true team spirit keeps going. Where said dear, there are ups and downs, wins and losers, but
but to stand and withhold them with courage is a true player. So let's salute the true players in all of us and welcome the last Dhamakdar dance.
जिंदगी का ये घड़ाने एक सांस में चढ़ाने हिचकियों में क्या है मरना पूरा कोई काला है काला अंदर काला बाहर काला पर सच्चा है सारा कोई काला है काला अंदर काला बाहर काला पर सच्चा है सारा అసలు అవధుడునే మురా అనుపు దరిగి కచేరని కాడరా మలుపు మలుపుకు చెరగని కొలుతులు పీడరా పగలు మెరుపులు చూపరా వయస్సు సగముగా మారిపోయి ఓడెరా తెలుపే అడుగడుగునా తెలుపే నిరువలమెనా దిగులే పడమరుగునా మొదలే ఇక సమరమా పడినా పెదరన పదా పగలు మెరుపులు చూపరా వయసు సగముగా మారిపోయో
Is extended to our dear directors, Madhu sir and Lakshmi ma'am, for their guidance and their support. We sincerely thank the teachers and the staff for their dedication, hard work and efforts in training the children and making the event a grand success. Most importantly, we thank our dear children, the true stars of the day, for their enthusiastic participation.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो जय हो आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले जय हो नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी